channel. I hope you all are doing great. Welcome to another video, and today we are going to talk about my favorite hairstyle and the product I use to maintain it throughout the day. So basically recently I did this hair care on my Instagram and everybody was talking about how to take care of this frizzy hair, especially it's humid mein hamare baal to, oh my god, they look really bad. How do you maintain it? And also everybody was asking about my favorite hairstyle जो मैं twist करके बनाती हूँ. So in this video I am going to talk about all those stuff. So if you want to know that, keep watching this video. So now let's get into the video, and today I am going to take you through this amazing product which you all are going to love because I love it truly. And this is one product I really swear by because whenever I used to travel before, I used to get this product, and I would tell my friends if they are traveling ki please just get me this product, and finally it's in India, and what else can I ask for? So this is the L'Oreal Paris Elnett Satin Hairspray. Oh my god, this product is so good, guys. Trust me, you can use this hairspray on everyday basis. So let me just quickly tell you about this product. So basically when you apply it, it's going to keep your hair as it is for 24 hours, and trust me, when they say 24 hours, it stays like that. Next up is that it doesn't make your hair, whenever we apply these hairspray, हमारे बाल ऐसे एकदम कड़क से हो जाते हैं, बट इस स्प्रे के साथ वो बिल्कुल भी ऐसा नहीं होता और ये बहुत ही लाइट है. एंड वन मोर थिंग विच आई रियली डील विद अदर हेयर स्प्रे इज कि जब उनको निकालना होता है, oh my god, इतना hair breakage होता है, and it's so difficult, and I'm gonna show you how easy it is to take off this hairspray. Just one brush and you're done with it. I love this product genuinely, and especially during this time when it's so humid और मेरे बाल हमेशा इतने frizzy रहते हैं. This one product I definitely go to. Now I'm going to show you how I make my favorite hairstyle, and trust me, for that you don't need any heat or anything, just your natural hair, a comb and this L'Oreal hairspray. So that's how my hair was looking before applying the product, and I'm only going to apply the product on the left side of my hair so that I can show you the difference. Okay, I love the packaging, it's so classy and so nice. So take out a middle parting, and it's your wish if you want to straighten your hair or curl your hair, because that also looks nice with this hairstyle, but I am keeping it all natural today. Spray the product on your tail comb or comb and just comb your hair so that वो flies जो वो बैठ जाए, and take a little bit of product in your hand and start twisting the small section. So थोड़ा सा और section लेके आप उसे twist करो, and you know what, just keep adding it into the previous one. It looks really nice, and then just pin it up. And now I'm going to do the same hairstyle on the other side too, but this time I'm not going to use the spray, so that you guys get to know how amazing this product is. And then just pin it up and you're done. It's super easy. And then I'm going to take a little bit of product and apply on my baby hair too, and I'm done for the day. And this is before and after, you can clearly see it. I will see you after a few hours. And I am back. Okay, so if you guys can see, इस side पे पूरा messy है, on the other side it looks nice. And when I say nice, थोड़ा natural लग रहा है, ऐसे लग नहीं रहा that I have some product on. इसको निकालना भी super easy है. You just have to brush your hair and it's out. I love how it doesn't make my hair all that kadak and frizzy, and I like the neat look. It looks so nice, guys. I just love it. So that was all for today's video, but one thing which is like my most favorite about this spray is कि जब भी आप दूसरे sprays यूज़ करते हैं, आपके बालों में वो एकदम फेक से कर्ल्स या बहुत ही फेक साइड पे लगता है, या एकदम बैठ जाते हैं बाल, बहुत ही कड़क दिखता है. बट विद दिस इट लुक्स ऑल नेचुरल, इट लुक्स ऑल नाइस. ऐसा लगता ही नहीं कि आपने कोई हेयर स्प्रे लगाया हुआ है, विच इज़ माई मोस्ट फेवरेट पार्ट. एंड ऑल्सो गाइज, this smells so good. It smells really nice. You have to get this product. I'm going to give you the link in the description box below. Definitely go and buy it. And if you guys like this video and it was very useful for you all, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below what else do you want to see on my channel, and I will see you very soon. Bye.